Claire Saunders from What's New in Electronics, day 2 of IPC Apex, and I've been joined by Simone from Express Manufacturing. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Good.
It's been a great show so far.
Fantastic. You guys are exhibiting, so
Yes.
have you seen some good people so far?
Yes, so far it's been busy. We have been very productive. We're seeing a lot of potential customers and vendors. So it's been a great show so far.
That's great. It's good to hear.
Yeah.
It seems to have a buzz about it, which is encouraging, so that's good.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit, please, if you would, about Express Manufacturing. What makes you different? What can you offer the industry?
What I make Express Manufacturing very unique is that we are very flexible to work with customers, especially like in the military, the aerospace, which has been the largest portions of industries that EMI has been serving. Aerospace especially has been growing a lot in the past 2 years. And EMI, we have been in the market for about over 4 decades.
Okay.
43 years, and we are very flexible when it's coming to work with our customers. Sometimes there is a lot of like unique requirements, and our engineers are very flexible to work with our customers. And I think that is what make us very unique and has been making us successful in the past 4 decades.
Okay. And where are you guys based? Because I know you have multiple facilities.
Yes, we have actually 6 facilities here in US. We are all in Santa Ana, and the corporate office is here. And we also have overseas facilities. We have China. Our factory is located in Dongguan, and we have a sales office and warehouse in Hong Kong. As well, we just launched the new facility in Vietnam. It was back in 2019. But we have been growing a lot in Vietnam due to some labors. It's like more affordable, especially for the consumer industry. So it's been a successful factory. Like since we launched, it's been great.
Amazing, great stuff. So
Yes.
how many lines do you guys have in these facilities?
Yes, so in the US, we have 14 lines
Okay.
total. 2 are dedicated for only NPI, first articles. And overseas, we have 8 lines in China. And the new facility in Vietnam, we have 4.
Okay, amazing. So you
Yes.
can keep busy then.
Yes, very busy, very busy.
And you're seeing that industry is doing well. You're encouraged about the signs for 2026 so far.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
That's good. That's great. Well, I wish you all the best for the Expo. I hope it all goes very well
Thank
for the rest of the
you.
few days that we have.
Thank you.
I hope we see you soon somewhere.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Thank
you
you.
too.